You're probably wondering what to do when you have to replace your X15 or ISX15 turbo on your Cummins. Do you just go with the same turbo, the same performance, same result? Or do you go with your best option? This is the turbo manifold kit that diesel mechanics are going crazy about. If you have a 2016 to 2024 ISX15 or X15 and you want to keep your VGT, you want to keep your exhaust brake, you want better performance but more durability, this turbo manifold kit is the one for you. This stock replacement VGT has an upgraded 70mm compressor wheel. This turbo has a bigger wheel, yet it directly replaces your stock turbo. You take out your stock turbo, this one goes directly where it did. No programming, no tuning, no deletion. You'll get better horsepower, you'll get lower EGTs, better fuel mileage, and you keep your third stage jake brake. This is the stock manifold that came off this X15. This manifold this year actually had this slip joint cast iron piece. This piece connects the manifold to the EGR cooler. The problem with this is it's really hard to install because it's so stiff and it tends to have a leaking issue. So the diesel power source stock replacement manifold that is a high performance, high flow, this manifold is made to mount up and hook up with the bellow style connection. This is more like an accordion and it clamps right to the manifold. It also clamps to the EGR cooler. This takes away the leaking issue and it makes installation a lot easier. This stock replacement exhaust manifold is also a high performance exhaust manifold. It's going to increase exhaust flow 22% over the stock exhaust manifold. It also is going to reduce EGTs by about 75 to 100 degrees under load. This helps the whole packet of this turbo combo manifold make your truck run much better. This turbo is a 70mm wheel on the compressor side, which is much larger than the stock turbo. This turbo is a direct stock replacement. That means no tuning, no programming, and you'll retain your third stage jake brake with this VGT.